Hello Achievers, myself Dr. Vikram from the team MDS Achievers. Today I am here for the discussion on the topic of how HCl is formed in the stomach. Join us with just a call or WhatsApp on these given numbers. We all know that HCl is one of the strongest acid, right? And you people might be thinking that sulfuric acid is the strongest acid, but not in actual sense. It is called as king of acids because of its wide implications in the industries. But when we take the pH and molarity into consideration, HCl is the strongest acid ever known. That is hydrochloric acid. And now the question that comes is how the strongest acid is secreted in the body, which is burning all the tissues, bones that comes in between. That is, so that's how our body has developed a system where in the stomach, which is there is a lumen and surrounding cells, that is parietal cells, will be forming this HCl in the lumen itself because it cannot be prepared at one side and translocated to another side, which will result in the burning of all the tissues that are coming in between. So to not to avoid that, our body has evolved this system where the parietal cells will be taking an H plus ion from the bicarbonate ions, and that is H2CO3 is split into HCO3 minus ion plus H plus ion, which is secreted into the lumen, and chlorine is formed from the sodium chloride, that is salt. Whatever we eat is split into sodium plus and chloride ion, and this chloride ion is taken into the lumen. So thereby the HCl is formed in this lumen of the stomach then and there itself. That is, it is not formed at one cell and it is not transferred to another cells. It is just made at one particular area, that is in the lumen of the stomach, and thereafter its acting will be started. Once its action has been completed, then there is a subcondylar secretion of the mucus, which will result into the dilution of this hydrochloric acid, right? Once this hydrochloric acid has been diluted, it will be continued to throughout our gut. And now how you can remember this concept? That is, see, now you know the concept, that is like it is preparing the HCl in the stomach, lumen of the stomach, then and there itself. But now how you going to remember it for the entire life, right? That is, you can see this, it's one of the movie in the Tollywood, that is Falaknama Das, where you can see the person over here is making a bomb and he's standing behind the tree. Why? Is because what, if at all if it explodes, his entire body will be safe. So